So when we did this study across various manufacturers, across different segments, some of the largest enterprises that we work with, we had to look at the KPIs. What are the business drivers that are, prompting different manufacturers to make changes, to respond with technology investments? And, these businesses will kind of gauge their success by looking at the KPIs in multiple different areas. And the biggest area that you can see at the top, there's no doubt that is OEE, looking at also operational performance and improving yield and labor efficiency. Those are the biggest areas. That's probably obvious to many of you today. But also, if you look at the other end of the spectrum, at the bottom, you see sustainability. And the reason why you see that at the bottom is because traditionally the boardrooms and the environmentalist teams have looked at these initiatives as, outside of the core technology evaluation and have purchased, off-the-shelf software solutions. But over time, as requirements have grown, the data requirements especially, to meet the regulatory reporting standards, it's almost like you're investing in an end-to-end supply chain solution.